and in today's video we have a tutorial on how to gradient text in the program GIMP. Now, as you can see, here's a little example I made. It's just a bit of a gradient. I've gradiented the background and also the text. I've also added a little border around the text. I'll show you how to do that too. So you want to go to File and New. Let's just wait for that to load. I'll be doing a video on a new computer build soon. It's time for me to get a new one, so that will be exciting. So for the image size, we're going to have width 512 and height 512, but you can do whatever you want. This is just for like a little logo. So click OK. And as you can see, the background's already pre-done. If you want to make it transparent, you can right click where it says background down here, add alpha channel, go up to the top left corner and click this rectangular select, hover over that and press the delete key on your keyboard and it removes everything in the background. So we're going to click text. Now let's just see, I believe the font's name starts with C. What was it? This is one of them I like, Cosmic Sans MB Bold. So let's just have the text saying test. You need to select all of it, and if you want to make changes, and then do the changes you'd like. Once we've done that, we can click the move arrow and move the text to the position we want it to. And you want to click select by color and select the text. So there we have that bit. Now we're going to go select grow. I'm going to click grow selection by about 10 pixels. That's what I find works best, but you can do whatever you'd like. So once we've done that, we can go change it to black and white and fill this with white. You'll see that happens. Now, I forgot to do one thing. You need to duplicate this layer and fill that with white and bring it under. So as you can see now, we have that little thing. Or if you would like, you could also, I'll just delete that. If you'd like, you could also fill it in with the background by doing that, and that sticks to the background. That's also another way of doing it. So once we've done that, our text little border thing, you can then gradient the text. So you're going to go select by color and select that purple bit or whatever color you've made the text. And I'm just going to select two colors I like. So I'm going to go with that one and that one. They don't have to be too much of a difference, but you want to click this tool here. It's gradient, or you can just press the keyboard shortcut G. And you want to click somewhere on your screen and drag down. And as you can see, one half of the text is purple and one half is light purple or pinkish. So you can just drag that down as much as you'd like. Like that. And if you'd like, also you can go into filters, blur and Gaussian blur. And you can change the settings to that blur as much as you'd like. As you can see, it adds a cool little blur effect. I'll just do that to get my selection off. And as you can see, that's our text there. So you can do whatever you want with that. I'll show you how to gradient the background now. So if you go background, click paste. Whoops. That should be, I'll just make that invisible. Yep. We're going to need to go select by color and select the outside, then do that, so we don't mess up that stuff. Now we're going to click the gradient tool, or you can just press G, and we're going to gradient the background. It's best to have the other one as a reference if you'd like to match the gradients up. So just like that, we have our own gradiented text. It looks really simple and nice, and you're going to love this. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos. And I'll see you next time.